Hey, what's up, guys? I'm at work today, as you can see, but I got a second to show y'all something. About 3 months ago, I did make a video on rust protection and using the PB Blaster brand Surface Shield, and I put that on the frame of my Tacoma, and I'm going to show y'all today how that's going. Alright guys, this is where I work at every day. We produce this, it's like a carbon black material. But anyway, if y'all want to see some more stuff about where I work at and what I do for a job, I can show y'all some of this stuff. Y'all let me know in the comments. But anything past that door, I'm not really allowed to show y'all because it's top secret. Phew, let me tell y'all, it is cold out here today too. Okay, for about 3 or 4 months, I've had this piece of metal hanging on here, out in the weather, in the snow, the rain, everything. And what this piece of metal is I took a piece of scrap, cut it in this little square, drilled a hole through it so I can hang it up, and I took an angle grinder with a grinding disc and I scraped it completely bare metal. Like there's nothing on this, like no type of paint, no type of whatever that film is that comes on the, sheets of metal from the factory. This is just a completely bare piece of metal with the Surface Shield on it. And as y'all can see, there's absolutely no rust, nowhere it's even starting to rust at. And if you look here, you can see, look at all the rust buildup. Like this is a clean piece of metal too when I welded it on here. This was originally, a clean piece of metal, and look at it. This even has like the little film that comes on them too, and it's rusting plumb through this. This stuff is rusting, it's eating it out there, and this stuff where I sprayed it, it is perfectly fine. And I guess just some of the overspray, you can tell a difference from this side. This wasn't my intentions, but that PB Blaster is on this as well, and you can tell that it's saving this piece of metal compared to that one. Come around here to the back side of it, you can see some dirt and grime and stuff is stuck on here, but there's absolutely no rust on it anywhere, and rust ain't even starting on it nowhere either. But anyway, guys, this is going to be it for this video today. I just wanted to give y'all an update on the Surface Shield and how it's doing. And if it's doing that well on a bare piece of metal in 4 months in the wintertime, I mean, you can imagine your frame that's got paint and everything on it. I mean, it's just giving it that much more protection. So this stuff really works, and I'll give y'all another update on it in a year's time to see how that piece of metal's doing within a year. But anyway, y'all please like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one.